Hi, question number 6. A big 9 marker, 9 marks, but very, very doable. So it says use the income tax and national insurance. I'm sorry if I said there was no preliminary material for this one. There is. I found it. I managed to get online and find a copy that wasn't on the AQA website. So Beth has an annual salary of 39,500 in her current job, and her monthly net pay is 2495.64. She wants to apply for a new job which has an annual salary of 43,500. She'll have to pay an extra £150 per month in travel costs to get to the new job, and her personal tax allowance is 10,600. She says the increase in my net pay will be more than the increase in my travel costs. So increase in net pay will be greater than travel costs. Is she correct? So we're going to first of all work out the net pay, see what the increase is, and see if it's over 150. So our first thing to work out will be the tax. So I like to label my work as I go so that anyone examining my work can see clearly what I've done. So tax, first of all, we've got 3950. That's not right. That's the old salary. 43500. Take away the personal allowance of 10,600. 43500, take away 10,600, gives us 32900 taxable. Okay, so within that, we can see that inside the tax brackets, some of this is going to leak into the 40%. So 20% is going to be charged to the 31,785. And then I'm going to take that value away from 32900. 31785 is 1115. What you'll find is lots of these little subtractions and additions accumulate method marks, so you have to lay your work out neatly. Okay, so I'm going to times by 0.2 times by 0.4. This one's in my calculator already, so that is £446. 31785 times by 0.2 is 6357. Add them together, 6803 total tax. So that bit is done. That's the tax deductions. Now we need national insurance. Now I don't see anything relating to personal allowance within this. So what we can see is in the 0% bracket in here. Now, what this means here is you contribute to national insurance once you earn over £5,832 per year, but you don't pay anything to it. So it's kind of like you're in the club for a free membership, and then when you earn over 8,000, that's when you need to start paying. So in the 0% bracket is 8064. The 12% bracket goes all up to 42,000. So I would imagine that the rest of this some of it will actually be outside of it. So 43500 take away 8064 is 3. Come on, make this work. 35436. So that's what I need the 12% and the 2% to add up to, because we've already accounted for the 8,000. 42385 take away 8064. 42385 take away 8064 is the maximum amount inside that 12% bracket, and that is 34321. And then finally 35436 take away 34321 is 1115. Recognize that number somewhere above at the top. So that's our salary split into those three groups. Finally, times it by 0 is 0, times it by 0.12, 3, times it on by 0.02. And I'll do that first because that's in my calculator. Apparently not. Syntax error because the answer didn't appear. There we go. £22.30p. 34321 times by 0.12. £4,118.52. Add these on. and it's 4140.82 total NI. Okay, we go back to that original salary, which was 43500. We're going to take away 6803, and we're going to take away 4140.82. 43500 take away. And I put these in brackets because it's just going to add the two deductions together. And that gives me 32556.18. We're now going to divide that by 12, which gives us the monthly net pay. I'm going to round that to two decimal places. What's the previous net pay? So we're going to take away 2495.64. So by taking away the previous net pay, we can see that this is an increase of £217. Oh, I've done answer takeaway. Hold on. Let me do this again. 2713.02, take away 2495.64. Yep, like that. 217.38 is greater than the 150. So yes, let me just get this decision right. Beth is correct. And then, although this is a 9 marker, there's marks everywhere. If you make a mistake on the tax, you can still get your national insurance right, pick up 2-3 marks, and then it will let you follow through. And as long as you create correct calculations past your mistakes, you should pick up big marks on this. So make sure you practice it. For the 2025 paper, for those listening to this video in the 2025, I've got a tax generator that I've got on the TES website, but do speak to your teachers to see if they've got a tax generator so they can just put a salary in, say 30,000, and then it will work it out on the new tax brackets. Beware, tax brackets change every single year, so you have to make sure that you watch your preliminary material very, very carefully when it's released. And yeah, that's it. That's the 9 marker. So good luck for your exams. I'll see you at question 7.